An equation which contains the square of the unknown variable quantity but no higher power is called a quadratic equation or an equation of the second degree. A second degree equation in one variable x is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A not is equal to 0 and A, B, C are constant is called the general or standard form of quadratic equation where A is coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x and constant term is C. An equation is said to be a reciprocal equation if it remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 by x. In exponential equations, variable occurs in exponent. An equation involving expression under the radical sign is called a radical equation. Discriminant. The expression b square minus 4ac square minus 4ac of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c is called discriminant. Symmetric functions of the roots of a quadratic equation are those functions in which all the roots involved are alike so that the value of the expression remains unaltered when roots are interchanged. Synthetic division is the process of finding the quotient and remainder when a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial. A relation between two quantities of the same kind is called ratio. A proportion is a statement which is expressed as equivalence of two ratios. Direct variation if two quantities are related in such a way that one changes in any way in any ratio, so does the other is called direct variation. If two quantities are related in such a way that one quantity increases, the other decreases is called inverse variation. Theorem on proportions, theorem of invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo. Joint variation, a combination of direct and inverse variation of one or more than one variable forms joint variation. Fraction. A fraction is an indicated quotient of two numbers or algebraic expressions. An equation is equality between two expressions. An identity is an equation which is satisfied by all the values of the variables involved. Decomposition of resultant fraction. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects with some common properties. Union of two sets A and B denoted by A union B is the set of containing elements which either belong to A or B or to both. Intersection of two sets A and B denoted by A intersection B is the set of common elements of both A and B. The set difference of B and A denoted by B minus A is the set of all those elements of B but do not belonging to A. Complement of a set A with respect to universal set U is denoted by A complement contains all those elements of U which do not belong to A. Closed figure. British mathematician John Venn introduced rectangle for a universal set U and its subset A and B as closed figures inside this rectangle. An ordered pair of elements is written according to a specific order for which the order of elements is strictly maintained. Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B denoted by A multiply B consists of all ordered pairs such that function. Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets, then relation F ratio A arrow B is called a function. And discuss we about binary relation. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then a subset A is called binary relation from set A into set B because there exists some relationship between first and second element of each ordered pair. On to function. A function F ratio A arrow B is called an onto function if every element of set B is an image of at least one element of set A, that is range of F is equal to set B. A function F ratio A arrow B is called a constant function. A frequency distribution is a tabular arrangement classifying data into different groups. The minimum and the maximum values defined for a class or a group is called class limit. The real class limit of a class is called class boundary. It is obtained by adding two successive class limits and dividing the sum by 2.